unique anatomy, the female reproductive system is a hidden and highly specialized network of organs that work together to make human life possible. These organs include the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, and vagina. Each has its own role. The ovaries store thousands of immature eggs, ova, from birth and release one during ovulation every month. They also produce important hormones like estrogen and progesterone, which regulate the menstrual cycle and prepare the body for pregnancy. The fallopian tubes serve as a passageway where the egg travels from the ovary toward the uterus. This is often the site where fertilization occurs if sperm meets the egg. The uterus, a strong muscular organ, becomes a safe cradle for a developing baby during pregnancy. The cervix acts as a protective gate between the uterus and the vagina, controlling what enters and exits the uterus. The vagina itself is a flexible canal that connects the reproductive organs to the outside world, allowing for childbirth, menstrual flow, and sexual intercourse. Although these structures remain unseen, they are constantly at work, producing hormones, releasing eggs, and preparing for potential pregnancy. Their deep placement inside the pelvis not only hides them from view, but also ensures their safety. This remarkable design shows how intricately the female body is built, combining biology, protection, and efficiency in one hidden system that is essential for human survival. Protective design, the location of the female reproductive organs inside the pelvic cavity, is a natural shield against harm. Unlike external organs that are exposed, these vital parts, the uterus, ovaries, and fallopian tubes, are positioned deep within the pelvis, surrounded by protective layers of bone, muscle, and tissue. The pelvic bones form a sturdy frame around these organs, preventing injury from everyday movements, bumps, or falls. In addition, pelvic floor muscles and ligaments hold the organs in place, preventing them from shifting or being damaged during physical activity. This placement also protects the organs from extreme temperature changes, which could affect fertility and reproductive health. The cervix and vaginal canal act as natural barriers, blocking many bacteria and viruses from entering the reproductive tract, reducing the risk of infection. During pregnancy, the uterus expands significantly but remains supported by the pelvis and surrounding muscles, ensuring the baby is safe. This built-in defense system is a combination of physical protection and biological safeguards. It's one reason the reproductive system can function for many decades, often without problems, despite its delicate and complex nature. Nature's protective design allows these organs to stay hidden, safe, and ready for their life, giving role whenever needed. The cervix's role. The cervix is a small but powerful part of the female reproductive system, located at the lower end of the uterus where it connects to the vagina. Despite its size, it plays multiple critical roles. The cervix acts as a gateway between the uterus and the outside environment. During most of the menstrual cycle, it remains firm and closed, producing a thick mucus that prevents bacteria and sperm from entering. However, during ovulation, the mucus becomes thinner and more slippery, allowing sperm to pass through more easily. This timing increases the chances of fertilization. The cervix also acts as a barrier during pregnancy, forming a mucus plug that seals the uterus and protects the developing baby from infections. During labor, the cervix undergoes dramatic changes. It softens, thins out, and dilates to allow the baby to pass into the birth canal. Additionally, the cervix is an important indicator of reproductive health. Doctors often check it during gynecological exams and pap smears to detect early signs of cervical cancer or other issues. Its ability to open, close, and produce protective mucus makes it one of the body's most intelligent gates. Though hidden and often overlooked, the cervix is essential for fertility, pregnancy protection, and safe childbirth, making it a truly remarkable part of the female anatomy. Ovaries. As life sources, the ovaries are small, almond-shaped organs located on either side of the uterus, but their importance is enormous. They serve two main functions: producing eggs ova and releasing hormones that control the menstrual cycle and fertility. A female is born with all the eggs she will ever have, about 1 to 2 million, though only around 400 to 500 will be released during her lifetime. Each month, one ovary releases a mature egg in a process called ovulation. If sperm fertilizes this egg, it can lead to pregnancy. Alongside this, the ovaries produce the hormones estrogen and progesterone, which prepare the uterus for pregnancy, regulate the menstrual cycle, and affect many other body functions like bone health, mood, and skin condition. The ovaries also respond to signals from the brain, working in perfect harmony with the endocrine system. Even after menopause, when egg production stops, the ovaries continue to produce small amounts of hormones, influencing health in subtle ways. They are not just reproductive organs, they are hormone factories that influence a woman's overall well-being. Hidden deep in the pelvis, they quietly perform the life-giving task of producing the cells and hormones that make reproduction possible, truly earning the title of life sources. Uterus as a life cradle. The uterus, often called the womb, is a hollow, muscular organ that is the center of pregnancy and reproductive health. Shaped like an upside-down pear, it sits in the pelvic cavity between the bladder and the rectum. Its main role is to provide a safe environment for a fertilized egg to develop into a baby. Every month, the lining of the uterus, called the endometrium, thickens in preparation for a possible pregnancy. If fertilization occurs, the embryo implants in this lining, and the uterus nourishes it with blood and nutrients. The muscular walls of the uterus expand as the baby grows, offering both space and protection. During labor, these same muscles contract powerfully to help push the baby out. If pregnancy does not occur, the thickened lining is shed during menstruation. The uterus also plays a role in sexual function and hormone regulation. Its ability to grow from the size of a fist to accommodate a full-term baby is one of the most extraordinary feats in biology. Hidden deep within the pelvis, it is the ultimate life cradle, providing shelter, nourishment, and safety until the moment of birth. Hormonal harmony. The female reproductive system works closely with the endocrine system to maintain hormonal balance. Hormones like estrogen, progesterone, luteinizing hormone LH, and follicle stimulating hormone FSH work in a precise cycle each month. These hormones regulate ovulation, prepare the uterus for pregnancy, and influence mood, energy, and overall health. For example, estrogen helps maintain bone density, supports healthy skin, and regulates cholesterol levels. Progesterone prepares the uterine lining for a fertilized egg and supports early pregnancy. LH and FSH, produced by the brain's pituitary gland, control egg development and release. This hormonal system also influences non-reproductive areas. It affects sleep patterns, metabolism, and even brain function. Imbalances can lead to symptoms like irregular periods, mood swings, or fertility issues. The delicate balance of these hormones ensures that the reproductive system runs smoothly while supporting overall health. Even though these processes are invisible to the eye, they are happening constantly inside the body, orchestrating a rhythm that is essential to life. This hidden hormonal harmony is one of the most fascinating and vital aspects of female biology.